How much do you love me?
You must have heard this question from your girlfriend at some points. So today I will discuss about this question and will explain the secrets of this question in this video. So let's start. When you are in a relationship, so that is the most common question asked by a girlfriend, that how much do you love me being a boyfriend? So you can never express the answer of this question with words. If your partner is in a relationship with you and she knows you very well, then the first thing, she doesn't need to know the answer of this question. But if she still asks this question, so you can answer anything. It doesn't matter because you know how much you guys love each other. The answer of this question becomes important for those girls who have either comes into a new relationship or who do not have faith in each other due to lots of misunderstandings. Whenever this situation comes, it is necessary to answer this question because whatever you have done for someone, if it is not visible to her, then it is important to explain lots of things by which maybe your partner will satisfy. But it is only and only depends on your partner. I just want to tell you one thing, that there is no value of this question. Most of the couples ask this question to each other in a different loving feelings. And this question neither have any type of anger nor have any kind of seriousness. It is just a kind of moment. So you can answer anything at this moment, which does not have any matter to your partner. These are the facts related to a love relationship, which often asked by a girlfriend in a relationship. So if you believe in your love, then do not be afraid. Whatever you feel, you can answer this question. Your partner may have not any issue if she also believes in you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.